Buenos dias, my friends. We are back on Nasdaq, and today we're gonna review yesterday price action. This is the daily. This is the current price, and yeah, once again, the market fooled everyone. Why? Because yesterday everyone was super sure, right? And what they did was they draw price higher. They took buy side liquidity equal highs just above yesterday high VDH. They swept that and then big bullish candle and smash that. Create an order block and they destroyed everything to the downside. So I just want to go over a few levels we could have you know looked for setups on. So I will be talking about this one. This well, I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm just gonna show you what the levels are and why. This one here in the 50% or new week opening up. Then we had an opportunity here, another here, and the one here. So many opportunities. Also, I do really like the retest we did here. It took us higher, making a swing high, and here the confirmation and the market starts to shift that completely. Took us lower in the market structure, and we know this is the 5 minute. How you can see the setups and how they work the way up to then go on the way down. They were leaving equal lows all the way on the run to the upside, which lead for lower prices. And we still have buy side liquidity, but look how many points did we move yesterday, just in a day. 730 points going through previous week low and some liquidity. We still have previous month low right here. Want to see if we can go there, and I'm gonna be watching if price can build some liquidity in the form of equal lows, then tap our new week opening up. That would be very good. um, I'll be looking for something like that for the day. And so let's review where Asia is. So Asia starts around 8 a.m. So we have Asia here. As you can see, pretty much in an expansion. Asia been expanding. We left some equal highs here on the 5 minute. We do have some trend and liquidity. Again, we have trend and liquidity here, but I don't know, boys. I will be bearish. Um, if we can touch the new week opening up and continue lower, I would just keep my bias bearish, even if we have Asia and London above us. This creates an environment where ideally you don't want to take any setup here because it's pretty ugly, but it's pretty ugly. But you know, up to you. Um, you make your own decisions. I can only tell what I think, and this is what I'm thinking. So nothing really high probability. We have a round down. My targets are lower. We have a very huge leg. So my question is: either are we gonna continue and take this low out and continue lower, or does price wanna maybe revisit some of these highs around the new week opening up? To be honest, I just would like to see price going here and continue lower, but we'll find out. Let's see if we got any reaction. For now, the hourly is still, closing bullish candles and touching this fair value gap. So we want to see if we got any reaction there. I will be looking also at this one on the left side chart, which is a um, low, lower low, high, low, which is a breaker. So I'll be looking at these candles. I don't really want to see them going lower, and that matches with my idea of the new week opening up getting inspected. 4 hour, same scenario. Still, we have a bearish candle, and technically this ain't closed yet, so I'll be waiting for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, boys. Not not much to say. Don't lose your mind over these markets. It's gonna be very volatile. You don't know if some news is gonna drop and land a bomb somewhere, or make a deal, Trump with Iran. Who knows? Price could get very volatile. Look at these candles. This is a 5 minute candle. This is 98 point range. Let's drop on the 1 minute and let's check one minute candle. You're talking about 20 points. So a normal stop loss would be around 30. So we are over the normal size of the 1 minute candles. See how many points this is? So I highly suggest you to reduce the risk and be safe. Play it like a newbie, okay? Don't lose your mind. It's gonna get better, definitely, but right now it's not obvious to me. So that's what I'm saying. So yeah, so I guess that's pretty much it. Literally what I wanted to share. Nothing really super Saiyajin. I did take a setup yesterday. I'm gonna show you right now. Let me just plot a few levels. 8:30, 9:30, 10 a.m. Stuff like that. And key time windows. There we go. So yesterday I did take this setup short. I did not take this one. I did take this setup short. So first engagement was here. So new week opening up. I immediately saw that rejection. I got involved there. I was looking for price to give me that run into these equal lows. Um, but you can see how price failed. Price did a big expansion here. So I did trade my stop above this fair value gap. Reason why is because we made two fair value gaps as well. I do want to see the first one being a breakaway gap. It doesn't play it out, break even, then price displays through this level again, taking another sip of liquidity, and now I was seeing all of this as a potential fuel for my short. Of course, we still had PDH to take, but new week opening gap level still gave me a nice opportunity using this balance price range, which comes from the buy side inefficiency covered by sell side inefficiency. So using this 50% of the inversion and coupled with the new week opening up hub, I profited on this nice move. My stop loss was around 30 points and my target was around here. Ended up trailing my stop once I saw the run here, just as I did before. Covered my fair value gap there as I wanted to see the other two, dropping lower. So I did take around 44 points out of this trade, which is still okay. I did wanted some bigger runs, but it's all fine. And then I had a few attempts on the longing part here, which ended up being pretty much all break evens. Did not take any loss yesterday, so I did take something like this. Was aiming for previous day high. Of course, you can see I did not, um, I couldn't, participate on that move as price did came back and got me break even. So this move was very good. I was looking to get involved in this. We had the breaker, we had everything in order to get in the trade, but I did want to see price tapping the new week opening up, and that didn't happen. So no trade for me. Price takes the buy side again, and last hour macro price does what? Accumulates above the previous day high, reaction from the new week opening up here, and it does what? Order blocks all the way up here till dropping and pretty much make the high of the week, I guess. So a few opportunities here to get long. It gave around 100 points, which is really fine to me. Then they shift from the new week opening up, as you can see right here, and they give it the ghost here, offering multiple opportunities on the way down on the new week opening up. Probably one of the goated. This was this one, which a high, low, high, low, higher, high, lower, low breaker, fair value gap. So that was very good. and it gave around 250 points into the sell side, and here we are right now. So a few plays, a lot of trades. um, it does make sense to me if you use the new week opening up or whatever other time base array you use or whatever strategy you use. This is how you should see the trades, and how you can capitalize on them, also knowing that some of them are gonna fail. So I showed you a lot of break evens too. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this trade recap, and for you know the outlook too. Mm, to be honest, I would like to have a better bias here, but I genuinely don't. I'm not really liking anything here, to be super fair with you. So yes, boys, have a good one. Take care.